Okay, hi everyone. I'm Kate. I am a yoga teacher here at the studio. I'm so excited for you to be joining us for a yoga class. This is my very first filming, so I'm excited for this new opportunity. So if yoga is something new for you, we're in it together. This is a bit of a different yoga class, high energy, a lot of fun. A lot of opportunity for challenge, but you can also modify, take it easy. The whole point here is just to connect with your body, respond to your body, and just feel really good, have fun. So we'll get started when you're ready, sitting back in child's pose. So knees are gonna come out wide. Let your hips sit back towards your heels. Arms stretch out long in front of you. Let yourself settle in here. Notice your thoughts. Bring awareness to your body, what's going on. We'll start by taking a deep breath in, slow and steady. Fill your lungs. And full exhale, let it all go. Again, deep breath in, really fill up the body, wake up the lungs. And exhale fully. Keep that awareness to your breath, awareness of your body. Start to take some free movement here. So you can roll the shoulders left and right. Right, left. Right, left. If this isn't working for you today, you can move the hips. It doesn't matter what you look like. We're here to connect. We're here to move. Find some stillness, really reach, open up the back body, the shoulders. Take one more inhale. And exhale. Then roll up, rounding your spine. Come into a tabletop. Strong arms, press your hands into the mat. Right leg reaches back and pulse. Left arm reaches, find that pulse. Bicep with your ear. Core is strong. 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep that back leg up. Left hand down. Pivot your left foot back and open right arm high. Reach right arm forward. We're gonna crunch, out, crunch, out, crunch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Right hand back down, tabletop. Round out the spine, roll the ribs, take your time. Find your breath. Switch directions. Really let yourself feel the stretch of each muscle in your core. Back to tabletop, press the hands down, left leg back, and pulse. Right arm reaches. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold and reach. Left, right hand down, right foot back, and open to the left. Inhale. Reach forward. Crunch. Out. Crunch. Out. In. Back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to tabletop. Inhale, belly down. Exhale, round the spine. Curl the toes under, hips lift, downward facing dog. Walk it out here. Find some free movement. You can move your hips right and left. Walk out your legs. Let your head and neck relax, hips lift. Now draw your heels down to the mat. Chest towards your legs. One more inhale. And exhale. Come up high on your toes. Bend your knees. Hop or step up to the top of the mat. Half lift. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Arms high. Exhale, down. Half lift. Hands down to the mat. Step your left foot back. Hands press down. Right foot goes back and hovers. 3-leg plank. We go up, left, up, right. Up, left, up, right. Now you can lower this left knee, or for a challenge, lower to chaturanga. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold that right leg up, chaturanga. Pull. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, send it back, down dog. Eye on the toes, bend your knees, hop up. Half lift, inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, down. Half lift. Exhale, hands down, step your right foot back. Left leg goes back and hovers. Hover and plank, here we go. Up, right, up, left. You take what you need here, you either modify or chaturanga. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it up, pull. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up. So beautiful, so strong. Send it back. Once more on the toes, bend your knees. Find your way to the top, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair pose, hips sink low, arms high. Find your breath. Bring your hands together. You're gonna tuck, tuck. Really squeeze those lower abs. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up. Exhale, fold. Half lift. Exhale, hands down. Send it back, take it through a flow. You're looking good. We'll have some fun here. Inhale, right leg up. Bend, open the hip. All right, strong arms. We're gonna lift this left heel up and back. Here we go. Up, back, up, back. Keep that right knee lifted high. 4, 3, 2, 1. Straighten that right leg. Really reach, inhale. Exhale, send it through. Crescent lunge, arms high. Pulse it out. Woo! Have fun. Lift this front heel. Little balance challenge. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it low, arms high. Both heels down, triangle pose. Right arm down, left arm high. Reach it forward. Up, back, up. You got it. 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. Reverse, inhale. Send it back, hands to your mat. Right foot back. Take it through a flow. All right, inhale, left toes high. Bend and open. We'll pulse that right heel up and back. Up, back. Release tension in your neck. 4, 3, 2, 1. Send that heel down, left foot lifts, straighten that leg. Inhale. Send it through. Crescent lunge, arms high. Lift this front heel. Sink low, inhale, arms high. Both heels down, triangle pose, right arm lifts, left arm down. Reach it forward. Back, reach, back. 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, reverse. Cartwheel it down, hands to your mat. Woo! Step it back, take it through a flow. Full meet in down dog. Looking so good. We're gonna add on to that a little bit. Take a breath in. Remember, meet your body where it is. No judgment, no expectation. We're just moving, we're breathing. Inhale, right toes high. Keep it straight, really point. Exhale, step it through. Crescent lunge, back heel stays lifted, arms high, hips low. Triangle pose, left arm high. We're gonna reach it forward, low lunge. Left hand down, revolve and open. Push it forward and back. Reach right arm back. Maybe wrap it behind your back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms reach forward, sink low. Hands come to heart. Keep a good bend in this right leg. We're gonna lift this back leg up. Lift, lower. Oh yeah. 4, 3, 2, 1. Sink it low. Pulse it back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Step it back, crescent. Inhale. Exhale, hands down. That's it. Step it back. Chaturanga flow. All right, let's circle out the hips here. Reset, take a breath. One more side. What can you let go of? What's going on in your mind? Sink those heels down. Inhale, left toes high. Exhale, step it through. Crescent lunge. Triangle pose, open to the right. Back to the front, reach it forward, low lunge. Right hand down, left arm high. Up and back. Reach that left arm back. Maybe you wrap. 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms reach forward. Shoulders relaxed, hands to heart. You're gonna lean that chest forward. Lift your back leg. There we go. Lower, lift. Four, 3, 2, 1. Sink it low. Pulse that leg back. So good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Step it back. Arms high, crescent. Exhale, hands down. Let's take it through one last chaturanga. All right. We've made it. That's it. All right, we're going to cool it down a little bit. Inhale, right toes high. You can bend if that feels good. And we're just gonna send it through pigeon pose. So that right knee comes down by right wrist. Back leg, straight back. There's freedom here. So you can bring your chest down. You can lift up, kind of getting into a back bend. This is your practice. So what do you need? We're just here for another breath. Hold it up, inhale, and exhale. Plant your hands down. We're just gonna step this right foot right in front of you and shift the hips back, pyramid pose. So chest folds over right leg. Let your head and neck relax. Half lift, inhale. Walk it over to the left, wide leg fold. Bring your left hand to your right ankle. Open right arm high. Pull on that ankle to draw your shoulders in a little closer. Half lift in the center. Right hand, left ankle, left arm high. Let this feel good. Let your mind relax. Half lift. Walk it up to the center. Left foot comes up. Inhale, rise. We're gonna interlace our hands. Squeeze. Inhale. Exhale over to the right, hips to the left. Inhale up through center. Exhale down to the left. Beautiful. Inhale back up. We're gonna step that right foot back. Pyramid pose. Let your chest and your head fold over your left leg. Half lift. Plant your hands down, pigeon pose. Left knee comes down, right leg reaches back. Again, do what you need here. If you need to fold, relax. Okay, so lift the chest, inhale. And on your exhale, just swing this right leg around. The legs are gonna come out long in front of you. Inhale, arms high. Exhale, just let yourself lower down. Coming into your final shavasana. Let yourself relax. Take one more deep inhale together. Fill your lungs. And full exhale. Let everything go. I hope this practice was just a tool for you to be able to connect a little deeper to your body, a little deeper to your breath, and helped you slow down and also just have some fun with free movement in yoga today. I was so honored to be a part of this practice with you. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget that you get 2 weeks free trial on the studio online. So click the link in the description below. We would love to see you there. Oh, what a beautiful practice. Thank you all for joining. Namaste.